To start, click on the photo you wish to edit and select BG Remover to remove the background. Next, click on Edit located in the upper left corner. Navigate to the Magic Studio section and find the Magic Eraser option. Let's use the eraser brush to paint over the excess parts outside the shirt. Once completed, click on Erase. Next, re-add the image to the page. Go to the Layers panel and move it to the bottom layer. Adjust the size and position to match. Then select the top layer, go to Edit, and click on Duotone. Choose and adjust as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.